Hello, trading is closed on August 15th, 2018. Yesterday I said the pattern was very negative, and I said unless we gapped over these highs, which I could not rule out, unless that happened, it was very negative, and the likely thing would be to retrace all this rally in a straight line, which is what happened. We had some targets you get to cross off the list. That's always fun. We said there was support at this level, but we broke right through it and then are retesting it as resistance. If you're bullish, that can't be too good. Tomorrow, I'm looking for a pattern with an early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. Early low, late high, tends to be an all-day rally and a positive day. If it is a negative day, the market tends to show its cards by dropping early in the first 1 to 2 hours. And if we don't drop in the first 1 to 2 hours, it's unlikely we're going to drop for most of the rest of the day. Well, during the day, the market's falling out of bed, and MEJT on page 120 gives a very reliable signal. It says a rally's coming. It doesn't say from where the rally begins, but it's a pretty reliable signal. I think I have 2 failures in over 16 years. It doesn't say the rally has to be as strong as it was, but it doesn't say it can't be. Here we got a sell signal, and that worked. These lines are the MEJT support resistance levels. Gap down, hit a low, new low, couldn't hold on to any of these lows. It's a positive pattern unless we take these lows out early, ideally by gapping under them. It's not what I'm expecting, but I don't think it's impossible. Here's the pattern. I've erased the question mark. This was a clear impulsive move to me. Here's what I have as the most likely count from the recent high. It shows us in wave 3 down with much lower targets. It also shows in ABC up with C equal to A. This could just be A of this wave 2. It doesn't mean we're going to get a third wave of multiple degree tomorrow, but it doesn't rule it out either. A lot of people are talking about VIX. We went over the top and under it. Shows extreme pessimism. It tends to give a buy signal. Catch is it works very well if you've had a long decline, because it shows everybody's given up. When you get extreme pessimism this close to the top, don't forget last week almost everybody was saying new highs were just around the corner. When you get this pessimistic, this close to a high, it's actually a negative signal and not a positive one. The bulls have a little hope. To me, these drops are impulsive. The rallies are corrective. We're in the midst of a big drop. But if we do stage a recovery, you can have this one be an A, this could be a B, and at this low here, C is equal to A. So if you want to count that and we rally from here, you can say you have a count which justifies a recovery. I really think it's pushing it. When you try to talk yourself into stuff which isn't there, you usually regret it. Look at the directions of the impulses, and it's pretty clear where the impulses are going and where the overlapping corrective waves are going. Big drop is coming. Doesn't mean we have to drop tomorrow. If we don't drop early, we should go higher. But I can't rule out dropping early. And if we take this out, look out below. And that's today's call.